抓紧扶手，Please hold the handrail。
Ang dami.
Do you know Kung Fu? Chinese martial arts. So let me introduce myself. My name is Wency. I'm one of the yoga teachers today. And then the other yoga teacher is Cheris. Okay, and then our art teacher is Vivian. And then our Kung Fu master, we have a group. You're very excited about Kung Fu, I can tell. Alright, so we will have 4 groups, right? So you have to choose. I will separate you later. And then after this session,
Tanungin mo sila,
we will
Elona.
have lunch. We have prepared a vegan lunch from Green Hub, an organization in Taipo, also under the Green Hub. I hope you will like it.
Yoga ba?
And then in the afternoon, you will have some time to explore the Green Hub.
Kaya na, umuha akong ano dyan.
area,
Kasi kung
which we call our activities. Alright, so here about the
Hi!
Tapos yung ulap pag ganun. Ayoko na.
May isda ba dito? Hindi ako nag-ready. Doon daw tayo mag-yoga sa taas.
Tapos pagulong-gulong tayo pababa.
Gusto ko nang bumalik. Ganda.
Plants versus zombies.
Welcome to Kaduri Farm. Ha? No worries. Doon nga tayo sa bundok mag-yoga.
Dapat gugulong tayo pababa.
Ay, ang cute.
Parang botanical to.
Kuton nandito, di ba?
Basta kami ang botanical.
Ayan yung yoga natin. Oh. Meron na palang session. Ayun yung sa taas. Ba't nagpas?
Venue, not ready yet. We spend some time here. So just let you know, our menu not ready yet. We spend some time here.
Wala bang maupuan.
Wah, anggrek.
Laki naman yan. So this is good. This is vegetarian food. Vegetarian. Yes. Pang salad.
Vegetarian and our theme is everything sourced locally. Yeah, use our try to maybe from here, some of the veggie are from here, and then try to source locally. Yeah, do the sustainable, the recycling. Yeah,
Oh,
what our theme. Yeah.
kanya, pang salad nga eh. So this is our lunch. Hello guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Kaduri.
Kami din, ano mo?
Ay, sorry.
Ay, solo. Sarap ha?
Sarap nga.
So, look at our vegan food, guys. Familiar kayo nito, yung hinahalap sa salad. Gabi laki naman. Parang gutom. Ay, diba? Sarap. Sabi mo, heavy siya. Masarap siya. Parang yung alam mo yung buhay probinsya, ganun yung luto. Niluluto, ganyan mo pang halo sa salad.
Ganyan lang siya. Ayun na. Mag-hi, hi.